Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hootsuite dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Hootsuite dashboard, first, visit the Hootsuite website. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. If you have an account, click on login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Hootsuite dashboard. If you're a first-time user, you may need to select a plan that suits your needs. Choose between the free plan or one of the paid options. After selecting your plan, enter your payment information if required. Next, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email from Hootsuite. Click the verification link provided in that email to confirm your account. Now, return to the Hootsuite dashboard. To connect your social media accounts, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Social Networks from the drop-down menu. Click on Add Social Network to see the list of supported platforms. Choose the social media account you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to log into that account and authorize Hootsuite to manage it. Repeat this process for any additional social media accounts you wish to connect. Once connected, you will see your social media profiles appear in the dashboard. To customize your dashboard, use the Streams feature to organize your feeds. Click on Add Stream to select the type of content you want to monitor. Configure your streams to display specific metrics or engagement levels. Explore additional features like scheduling posts or analyzing performance metrics. Finally, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for efficient navigation. Your Hootsuite dashboard is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.